Hello everyone, welcome to my IT channel. Myself Rashmi Rajan, I am working in Ireland as a registered nurse. So I just came here, it's been only 1 month. So I have some experiences with this new situation. So I just want to do one short video regarding the things, what all things we have to keep it in our mind when you will come first time to Ireland. Because we will face some difficulties, it's like a new country and we are not aware about everything here. So I hope this video will be a little bit helpful for you to tackle some situation. So anyway, in this video, I will just give you a brief explanation regarding the necessary things, what are the necessary things you have to do when you will come to the Ireland in the first time. In remaining videos, I will just explain in detail regarding each points. Okay, so if you are planning to come and if you got your atypical work scheme paper and you applied for visa, or if you are packing your things to Ireland, so just take it out all these things in a diary, so it will be easy for you to prepare after coming here. So maybe you will be preparing for your like adaptation or aptitude. So once if you reach here, you will stay in a temporary accommodation. Maybe if you are in adaptation, you will be finding the accommodation nearby your hospital. And if you're planning for the aptitude test, of course, your agency will arrange accommodation nearby the hospital, Beaumont Hospital, like ASI. The building. Maybe it will be like a 10 to 15 minutes travel. So you will depend upon the taxi in the first time. So maybe you are not aware about the road, the bus, everything. So at first you will be depending upon the taxi or any help from any of your relatives or friends or someone. Anyway, once you've come, first time if you come to Ireland, so just take care with your SIM. The first thing you have to keep it with you regarding the SIM. So personally, I will suggest you to take Tesco SIM. There are different types of SIMs, same like in our place, like Tesco, Leica, some other things and all. But always try to take the Tesco SIM. So why I'm telling means, because later on, if you want to get your family, like after 3 months or 4 months, when you will try to get a family, you need to submit a utility bill. Utility bill means either it's like electricity bill or phone payment bill, like any utility bills. But for us, actually, we will stay along with some other family, or maybe you will share the room with your friends, like your colleagues or someone. So sometimes it is very difficult to get a utility bill from the landlord. Sometimes they could not give, and even the agency could not provide you the utility bill after 3 months or 4 months, because for the temporary purpose, they may give you the utility bill from their office. It's for a temporary purpose. But if you want to use it for your family, to get your family, they will not provide you the utility bill. So you should have with you. So if you purchase the Tesco SIM, the phone SIM, starting you can make it like a prepaid, but later on you can make the call. You can talk with the customer care and you can change it to postpaid anytime. Okay, so first you can get the SIM, make it like a prepaid, but after 1 month or 2 months, you can make it like a postpaid, then you will get a bill monthly. Okay, even after making the postpaid, within 10 days, you will get your first bill in your mail. That bill contains your current address. That is the thing which you need for your family visa. Okay, when you will get your family, you can use the same bill for it's like a address proof. Okay, so at that time you could not make use any address proof of the bank statement or any other statements and all. You could not use it for a utility bill. So that is the first thing. You can get the Tesco. Actually, this Tesco SIM, it is free of cost. Only the thing you have to put the money for the plan. Okay, it can be like a 10 euro. Basically, it starts from 10 euro, 15 euro, 20 euro, like that. So it's not a matter for like taking the plan. You can take it like a simple plan. If you want more Wi-Fi, if you don't have Wi-Fi, and you can take like according to the plan, you can choose it. But better to take, it's like if you have a Wi-Fi connection in your home and in the hospital, it's better to take the lowest price. Anyway, it is related to the same. And the next one, there is a card called Leap Card. So that Leap Card, you can see it in the video. This is the card what you can use it for travel. Okay, so you could not depend upon the taxi for every time because it will be very costly sometime if you want to go for shopping or if you want to travel like to the exam center. So starting in the exam centers and all, mostly you will use the taxi and all. So it will be like a costly sometimes. Always you could not book the taxi and also always it is better to use the card, Leap Card. And you can recharge also, even if the application, if it is accessible in your mobiles. In some mobiles it won't be accessible, you can recharge by your own, or else in the in some shops you can recharge it, or else if you have somebody here in Ireland, those who if you stay with someone, if they have the access in mobile, they can recharge for you. Okay, so this Leap Card, actually you can use it for travel in bus. And here we have Luas. Luas means it's like a metro, but this is a train which runs over the road. So it is nice to see and nice to travel even inside. And even you can use it for the tram, that is a train service inside the Ireland. So in this in this type of travels, you can use the same Leap Card. Okay, so you can charge it. It is like cost €5. I think the card is €5 and you can recharge it's like 15, 20, 30 or 50 and all. So for each travel, whatever the travel distance, it's like a shuttle service we can see in our place. It's like a shuttle service, the buses and all. So wherever you want to travel, it's like inside the city, it will cost €2. Once if you swap it, it will take €2. Within 3 hours, wherever you will travel, they will not charge it again. Okay, after 3 hours, they will charge it again. So that is the thing. Then in that machine also you can see how much is the balance, everything you can see it inside the tapping machine. So you will swipe there, or you will just show the card in the machine. There you can see the balance and all. Okay, and regarding the Leap Card, I will make another one video in detail, so you will come to know what is the procedure, how you can use the Leap Cards and all. Anyway, you can just purchase one Leap Card and you can make recharge. Okay, then the next thing is the PPS number. So PPS number, this is the important number for everything. For each and everything we should need this PPS number and passport number. So for applying PPS number, there is no need for anything else, only your passport. And there are I will give you the link in the description box, and you can just open and you can see what is that PPS number, how to apply, and they will provide a detailed information how to apply. It's very easy. From your mobile you can do it. Just they will ask you the personal details and they will ask you about employment, your current address. If you have phone number, you can give. If you don't have phone number, it's okay, fine. Then at the end they will ask you to upload some document. There also you need the utility bill, but you can use the utility bill of your agency. They will provide you and you can utilize it for until 1 month. You can use that utility bill. Thereafter they will not accept it. So then you can register it. After the registration, within 14 days by post you will get the PPS. Okay, either if you keep the agency utility bill, they will get it and they will send to you, or sometime you will get it directly. And if you get appointment and if you go to the office, you will get PPS card, or else you will get the certificate. Either card or certificate is enough because they need only the number. Okay, so that PPS number is essential for everything inside the Ireland. So that is the thing, and I will do another one video separately how you can do the PPS registration. Okay. Then next one is the bank account. So when you will come here the first time, you need PPS number for the bank account opening. But for somebody, it will be different according to the person, according to the time, it will be different. For someone, they used to ask PPS number and some cards and all, IRP card, I will explain you in later. Sometimes they will not ask anything. It depends. Okay, it depends. But for the basic, for me and all, actually I just waited for the PPS number to open official bank account. But for temporary purpose, if you want to get money from India or from your hometown, it is very difficult to send it. But if you have the account with Revolut, Okay, so the link and all I will give it in the description box. You can just download the app My Revolut. In that, it is same like a bank account, but like there is no branch and all. It's like internationally we can use, wherever you will travel, you can use that card. You can just open it. You can just register with your data. It doesn't need any more data and all. Just you can make it open, and either from Indian account, you can from your hometown, you can send the money here, and you can use this same account to transfer to someone here inside Ireland also. Okay, so it is for temporary purpose. It is easy because until you get your Ireland bank account, you have to wait to get your salary. So your employer will ask you the account number and all once if you join there. So it will take time for you to get account and everything and all. So until then, it's useful for you. Okay, even for shopping also you can use the same card. So after and inside the Revolut itself, you can request for the card. There are two cards. One is disposable card, don't go for that. Another one is our the normal card, Visa card. You can request that. Within 4 days, you will get a card by post, as well as you will get you can reset the PIN number and then you can use it for shopping and for everything. Then next one, when you get the PPS number, I told you within 14 days you will get the PPS. Sometimes it will not take 14 days. It depends, like 10 days or 14 days. Sometimes even 5 days also you will get the PPS number by post. And once you get, you can apply for the bank account. So the bank account also, it is different. For someone, they used to ask the PPS number and IRP card number, GNIB card. That is same like our Aadhaar card. Okay, if you worked in like Gulf countries, in Saudi there is like Iqama, and in Qatar you have Qatar ID. So the same, like the temporary permit card, same like that, we should have the card. So that one also, it depends. For someone, they used to ask the IRP card and PPS number. For someone, they will not ask. Okay, even the procedure also for someone, it will be different. Anyway, for the basic, I just want to tell you that if you want to open account in bank, no need to go to the, it's like online, everything you can do it by online. And the best one, it is AIB mobile. Okay, so the link I will give in the description. Any bank you can open it, so not a matter. So how we can make means we can just download the app and they will ask some basic details. Then they will there is option to make the video call. Make sure that there is no Bluetooth, and you can make it like you can like speak normally, and they will take the photo. So they will give you the instruction. First they will ask you to show the passport and the visa page, your address page, everything. Then they will ask you to show the GNIB card, IRP card. They will ask you the PPS number, everything. Some like general details they will ask and confirm. Then they will take the photo. So that's only the thing. After this verification, within 4 days you will get the your official paper from the bank for the account details and all. Then within 10 days you will get the card, ATM card. Then you can reset the PIN, everything, and you can use it like a normal way. Then that is the regarding the bank account. And if you want to get your family, and if you want to get the loan for car or loan for home or something, it is always better to have one account, Irish account. Okay, and one disadvantage, we could not send money from this account to our hometown. That's the only thing. So what we can do, we will use the third party. Like third party means we can use some other same like a Revolut. We can use the Revolut, or we can use some other third parties and all. And regarding these things and all, I will mention the names in the description box. Okay, we can use some other online options. We can transfer money from here to in that. Actually, no need to transfer the money. We can just give the card details. Okay, that third party app means we can just give the card details, and whenever you want to send money to your home, you can just go there and select the beneficiary. You can add the money. Then they will ask you from which card. Maybe if you added 3 or more cards, they will ask the card, and you can just click, and it is very easy to send the money. On the same day you will get the money in your native. Okay, so that is a third party for sending money to our native. that is related to the bank details. And the next one is the immigration registration and IRB card. So this is the GNIB card. Okay, so this is, as I told you, the same like Aadhaar card and all in our place. And here actually what you have to do, you have to see the website, and in that website you can access the phone number. You can make the call and get the appointment. I heard that before it used to take like 14 or 20, 21, like 1 month to get the appointment. But now it is very easy. On the next day you will get, except Saturday, Sunday, you will get the appointment. And on that day you have to, you will have one email with the appointment details. You have to show to them at the entrance, and they will instruct you. You should have the original passport, and you should have the atypical work scheme paper. That's only the thing what you want to bring, and 300 euro. It should be in the Visa card, okay, not in the not by cash. You should have the card. Either you can purchase, either you can borrow from your friends also, or your own. It's okay. It's not a matter. That's why I strongly suggest you to bring the travel card, because until then we don't have any cards to use here. So it is better to get one travel card from your native. When you come here, you can you can just exchange your money to euro. Minimum 500, that's enough, because 300 you will use it for this card, and remaining 145 euro you will use it for your PIN number in NMBI. So it should be 500. Okay, you can bring it down. Then after going there will be verification. They will ask your passport, they will ask some details, and they will take your photo and the signature, everything. They will get the money, and within 4 to 10 days you will get the IRP card by post. Okay, so that is the important thing. There will be two number. In the front page, the front side of the card, there will be one number. It will be temporary, but the back side there is registration number. That will be your permanent, because once if you get the PIN number, and once you follow with your critical skill permit, after that you have to renew your card. Again, you need to give 300 euro, but it is refundable. Okay, you will get it back, and every yearly once you have to renew the card with the 300 euro. So every time when you will once after the critical skill, when you will renew, the number will change. The front side number will change, but the back side registration number will be the same. Okay, so that is related to your IRP card. And the next one, once you get your PPS number, you can just go to the website, Google website, and you can type My Revenue. It is important related to tax, because once if you come here, until when you didn't register in My Revenue, from your salary they will cut 40% of tax. It's like a huge amount, but no need to worry. Once you finish all formalities at next year starting time, you can claim, and they will return back your money. Okay, but until then you will lose 40%. Whenever you will get the money in your account like a payment, you will lose 40%. It is not as emergency tax. To avoid that, what you have to do, after getting PPS soon, without any delay, you can go to My Revenue and you can register your details. They will just ask your passport number, your address, phone number, email ID, only those things. PPS number, everything. Okay, then you can register it, and this one also, it depends, according to the person it will be different. Either you will get one email with a temporary password, so you can open it with a temporary password, and you can upload your like PPS information. The first registration they will not ask PPS number. After getting the temporary password, you have to open it again, and you have to update your PPS number. Then your data will be linked to the tax automatically with your employer. Everything, whenever you will get a payment, they will deduct only 20%. Okay, it's for the government. Plus there will be some services according to HSE and private. It will be different. And for others, for me, so what was the procedure? They sent me a mail. In that email, they mentioned one phone number. So I called them, and they asked many questions like our passport number, mother's maiden name, our current address, these things and all, like basic things and all. Then after 4 days, I received one post. In that there was temporary password. With that temporary password, I opened my account with this revenue account, and I updated the PPS number. Then from the next payment onwards, they deducted only 20%. Before it was 40%. Okay. And another one more thing, within 1 week, they used to send one more post. In that, they used to mention everything, how much they will deduct from your salary, everything. So they mentioned that if your annual salary, if it is above 40,000 euro, it's like 40% tax deduction. And if it is below 40,000 euro, they will cut 20%. So it is depend. It will be different, okay, according to your employer and your annual salary. It will be different. So this is regarding the tax. So these all are the basic things you have to keep it in your mind. Just write it in a paper and you can keep it with you in a diary or something. Whenever you will finish the things, you can just put tick mark. Don't need to worry. Mostly all agencies, once if you come here, they used to send you the instructions, what are things you have to do one by one. But some agencies, they will not give you a clear information for them. I hope this video will be useful. So on the next days and all, I will make the detailed video with the link, everything, so that it's like step-by-step procedure. So it will be easy for you to apply. And the next thing, after this all these things, when you will get your PIN number after your exam, after your result, when you will get your PIN number, so you will get one mail from our NMBI. In that mail, just we have to click, we have to accept for the PIN for the registration, okay, for the application registration. First one, there will be a recognition for our registration. We will click it, it will recognize, then we will accept, we will apply for the registration of the NMBI. In that registration, they will ask you to submit some details, you can submit it. Then after 1 week, you will get another one more mail for attaching good standing. So if you are ready to come here to Ireland, please make sure that you have valid good standing from wherever you have worked. As example, if you worked in India, or if you are in Gulf countries, or if you worked somewhere else, you should have the good standing from everywhere. Okay. Once if you finished your the starting registration, at that time, maybe it may be before 6 months, if you got the good standing and now the validity it is already finished, means please get the new one. Okay, after 6 months, or they used to mention the expiry date in the good standing. Beyond that date, it would be invalid. And if you're coming here with that old good standing, they will not accept it. They will reject it. It will take long time for you to get the PIN number. Once if you get the PIN number only, we can apply for the critical skill. So your contract will start from that date only. So it will be very difficult for you to count experience thereafter. So please get your good standing, everything, and keep it in your mail or in your phone. So when you will get the second mail from the NMBI, you can upload your good standing, and they will give you some instruction for OET. Okay, so your OET should be valid in that time period. So in that OET website, you can open the OET website and click on your result, and there will be they used to ask to give them access for the NMBI to check your result. Okay, so these things and all, I will make another one more video with the pictures and all, so it is easy for you to follow. So these things and all, make sure before coming here. Okay, so, then after getting the PIN number, it depends also. For someone, it will take only 2 days, someone 4 days, someone for 1 week, 2 weeks, it can be different. Okay. So once if you get your PIN number, then you can apply for the work permit. The agency they used to send every details and all, how you have to proceed with the critical works permit and all. So there should have some details like the photo, passport, and your typical work scheme, your PIN number. From NMBI, we will download the registration paper. Then you should have the utility bill. That's the important thing. So with this everything, we can apply it. So these are the things, basic things you should know. The remaining things, after coming here, you will get more information from your friends and all. So I hope this video is useful for you. It will be useful for you after coming here. So if you have any doubt, just send a message in the message box. So what are things I know, I can help you with that. So we will see with another one informative video. Until then, bye, take care.